talking about industrial projects, once we install the industrial projects, the key focus would be the annual maintenance of the project. After the installation has been done and the commissioning has been done, so we hand over the plant to the client, but the major and key challenge there would be the annual maintenance contract. So what we have designed for our clients is we would take the annual maintenance contract for them, and we would be able to help and monitor the plant on a day-to-day basis for 25 years in such a way that the client would not have to involve in the day-to-day hassles of the solar installation, and he would be able to reap the benefits as well. So another reason we take the annual maintenance contract, so that we can develop a level of trust in the client that we are not here for a brief period of time. We have a focus, we have a mission and a vision, a goal for more than 25 years, and we would be able to serve them even after 25 years of the solar lifetime when the installation has been done. So that's our goal for the after sales services. That's our goal when we are talking about the industrial clients. And apart from that, if in the annual maintenance contract, if we are talking about what is included in the maintenance contracts, then we do quarterly visits of the entire plant. In the visit, we cover each module and inverters and the cabling. We check every point that can have a possible error and which may lead to the generation loss. So we check each and every part every quarter, and so there would be 4 visits in an entire year. And if need may arise, if the client wants an plant check as well at any point of time, then if they have an annual maintenance contract from our end, then they can call us anytime and we would be able to arrange a visit for them. Apart from this, what we have been able to achieve with the annual maintenance contract is we do an daily monitoring of the entire system from our office. We have a dedicated customer support team which monitors each and every plant we have installed till date. They check the generation on a daily basis, and according to the seasonal variations, they determine if the plant is running okay or not, and whether they would require an additional cleaning or whether they would require a site survey check or whatever it might be. Basically, we at Your Energy, we believe in providing a definite quality of customer service, and we make sure that is achieved. And so the customer remains satisfied in the entire life period of the solar installation that we have done, and even after that, when we would be talking about a future generation of solar installations.